Imagine if your company's firewall could do more than just block threats. What if it could actually tell you who, what, when, and how a breach happened in real time? That's exactly what Corelight brings to the table. Whether you're defending a bank, a startup, or a cloud-native stack, this AI-powered tool gives security teams the X-ray vision they've been missing. I'm Samantha from Next AI Vault, and in this video, I'll walk you through Corelight, one of the most powerful network detection and response platforms on the market. Built on Zeek, the legendary open-source network security monitor, Corelight transforms raw network data into structured logs and threat insights. It's trusted by government agencies, enterprises, and research institutions to detect advanced threats, uncover anomalies, and accelerate investigations. And the best part? It uses AI to help security teams stay ahead of attackers. Now, let's break down what makes Corelight so powerful. First, it turns your raw network traffic into Zeek logs, rich, structured data that makes threat hunting way more effective. It offers deep behavioral analysis, not just signature-based detection, meaning it can detect never-before-seen attack patterns. With Corelight Investigator, the AI and ML engine, it accelerates detection of anomalies and suspicious behaviors across all layers of the network. It also plays nicely with your existing security stack, whether you're using Splunk, Microsoft Sentinel, Palo Alto, or a homegrown data lake. And the flexibility? You can deploy it on physical hardware, in virtual machines, or across cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and GCP. So who actually uses Corelight, and why? For enterprise security teams, it provides the visibility they need to trace threats across massive networks. Threat hunters love it for the deep contextual logs that make investigations faster and more accurate. Incident response teams can use it to gather rock-solid evidence, with rich logs and protocol-level insights. And for cloud architects, Corelight's ability to monitor hybrid and cloud-native environments is a game-changer. The real benefit? Speed. You find threats faster, understand them better, and act before damage is done. Corelight is ideal for cybersecurity professionals who need more than alerts. They need answers. If you're part of a SOC team, threat intel group, or cloud security unit, Corelight gives you the insights to go from alert fatigue to actionable intel. It's also great for organizations handling sensitive data. Think healthcare, finance, education, and government. Now, about pricing. Corelight operates on a custom pricing model. That means you'll need to contact their team for a quote based on your network size, deployment type, and features you need. It's an enterprise-grade tool, so expect a higher price point, but with ROI and threat reduction and team productivity. Unlike generic threat detection tools or even popular AI assistants like ChatGPT or Gemini, Corelight isn't about chat or writing code. It's laser-focused on network security. Compared to other NDR tools, Corelight stands out for its Zeek foundation, open integrations, and data richness that's often unmatched. Like any advanced tool, Corelight isn't plug-and-play. You'll need a solid understanding of Zeek data to get the most value, and some users say the UI could be smoother. Pricing can also be a hurdle for smaller orgs. But if you've got the team and the stakes are high, it's worth it. If you're just getting started, here's what I recommend. Start with Corelight Investigator. Use its AI-guided workflows to detect anomalies fast. Integrate Corelight with your SIEM to automatically funnel structured logs for deeper correlation. Don't just look at alerts, explore session metadata, HTTP activity, DNS anomalies, and encrypted traffic signatures. And lastly, train your team on Zeek. The better they understand the logs, the more powerful Corelight becomes. Corelight isn't just another network monitor. It's a full-blown security investigation engine. If you're tired of low-fidelity alerts and want real answers, this tool might be your next upgrade. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. And check the link below to learn more about Corelight or request a demo. I'm Samantha from Next AI Vault, and I'll see you in the next one.